Least common multiple. This video will teach you how to find the least common multiple between two or more numbers. Least common multiple definition. The least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest number that all given numbers can divide into without leaving a remainder. It's the smallest common number that shows up on multiplication lists of given numbers. Let's find the LCM, or least common multiple, of 15 and 35. We keep listing an order of product using both tables until we have a common product in both tables. So the first table is 15 times 1 equals 15. Then we do 15 times 2 is 30. Second table, 35 times 1 is 35. First table, 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is 60. 15 times 5 is 75. The second table, 35 times 2 is 70. We have not found a common number yet, so we keep going. First table, 15 times 6 is 90. And then the second table, 35 times 3 is 105. And first table, 15 times 7 is 105. And you can see that the least common number, or least common multiple, in both tables are 105. This makes LCM of 15 and 35 equal to 105. Let's find the LCM, or least common multiple, of 20 and 44. First table we'll use to list the multiples of 20. Second table we'll use to list the multiples of 44. So we keep on listing the product until we have a common number in both tables. 20 times 1, 20. Nope. 20 times 2, 40. 44 times 1 is 44. 20 times 3 is 60. 20 times 4 is 80. 44 times 2 is 88. 20 times 5, 100. 20 times 6, 120. 44 times 3 is 132. 20 times 7, 140. 20 times 8, 160. 20 times 9, 180. 44 times 4 is 176. 20 times 10, 200. 20 times 11, 220. 44 times 5 is 220. And looks like we have a common product in both tables, and that is 220. As you can see, the LCM of 20 and 44 is 220. Thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.